Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Dstv account and streaming allowance so you know the exact limit. Next, list every device currently signed in phone, tablet, smart TV because each counts toward the cap. Once done, force close the Dstv app, clear the app cache if available, and update the app and your device operating system to the latest versions. Finally, reboot your router to clear transient network sessions before moving to signed-in device management. You now remove or deauthorize devices that aren't actively streaming to free slots. Go to Dstv account settings on web or app, locate device management, and sign out all unknown or idle devices. This prevents phantom connections from counting toward the limit. If devices share generic names, rename or temporarily sign them out to identify who's using what. Once cleaned up, sign back in only on the devices you need most, and make sure automatic reconnects are disabled on guest devices. You finish by testing streaming on a single prioritized device to confirm the limit is cleared and playback is stable. If playback still shows streaming limit reached, collect your account ID, the list of recently signed-in devices, timestamps, and any error messages. Then contact Dstv support for remote deauthorization or account refresh. If waiting for support, make sure devices use separate profiles or schedule staggered viewing times to avoid hitting the limit again. This solves most recurring conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.